আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমরা সায়েন্স অ্যান্ড টেকনোলজির উপরে কিছু আমরা কোশ্চেন নিয়ে এসেছি। চলো আমরা শুরু করছি। তো এখানে সায়েন্স অ্যান্ড টেকনোলজির উপর 24 MCQ আছে, যেগুলো আশা করি ভীষণ ইম্পর্টেন্ট হবে। আমরা একবার দেখে নিচ্ছি। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1-এ আছে, দ্য জেনেটিক্যালি ইঞ্জিনিয়ার্ড গোল্ডেন রাইস ইজ রিচ ইন হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং। অপশনগুলো আছে, এ আছে ভিটামিন এ অ্যান্ড নিকোটিনিক অ্যাসিড, বিতে আছে বি ক্যারোটিন, ভিটামিন এ অ্যান্ড ফলিক অ্যাসিড, সিতে আছে বি ক্যারোটিন অ্যান্ড আয়রন, অ্যান্ড ডিতে আছে ভিটামিন এ অ্যান্ড নিয়াসিন। আমরা যাব উত্তর সেকশনে। উত্তর আমরা দেখছি এটা হবে অপশন বি, অর্থাৎ বি ক্যারোটিন, ভিটামিন এ অ্যান্ড ফলিক অ্যাসিড। আমরা যাচ্ছি নেক্সট কোশ্চেনে। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 2, এতে আছে বায়োটেকনোলজি ইজ। অপশনসগুলো আছে, এতে আছে ইউজ অফ মাইক্রো অর্গানিজমস in industrial process, বিতে আছে development of technology for medicine application, সিতে আছে use of genetic engineering, and D, technology used in biology. Now see the answer. The answer is technology used in biology. Okay, going to the next one, that is question number 3. A genetically engineered form of brinjal known as the BT brinjal has been developed. Okay, BT brinjal. The objective of this is, options are to make it pest resistant. Option B is to improve its taste and nutritive qualities. Option C is to make it drought resistant, and option D to make its shelf life longer. Okay, so now I'm going to the answer section. The answer is option A, that is to make it pest resistant. Okay, now the next one, that is question number 4. BT seed is associated with, options are A, rice, B, wheat, C, cotton, and D, oil seed. Now I am going to the answer section. The answer is option C, that is cotton. Okay, and the next one, next question is question number 5. Which of the following is correct about the monoclonal antibodies? Okay, option A is single parent type that attack many antigen. Option B is single parent type that attack specific antigen. Option C is various parent type that attack many antigens, and option D is various parent types that attack single antigen. Now I am going to the answer section. The answer is option B, that is single parent type that attack specific antigen. Okay, now the next one, the next question, that is question number 6. Hybridoma technology is a new biotechnological approach for commercial production of hybridoma. Okay, options are monoclonal antibodies. Option B is interferon. Option C is antibiotics. Option D is alcohol. Now see the answer. The answer is option A, that is monoclonal antibodies. Now I am going to the next question, that is question number 7. Which one of the following chemicals is used to fuse plant protoplasts in genetic engineering? Okay, options are ethylene. Option B is polyethylene glycol. Option C is calcium nitrate, and option D is sodium hydroxide. Going to the answer section. The answer is polyethylene glycol. Okay, now the next question, question number 8. Which one among the following is the chemical knives used in genetic engineering? That is chemical knives. Options are A, polymerase. Option B, ligases. Option C, endonucleases, and option D, plasmid. Now the answer section, that is option C, endonucleases. Okay, now going to the next one, question number 9. Insect resistant cotton plant have been genetically engineered by inserting a gene from A or N. Options are A, virus, B is bacterium, C is insect, and D is plant. Now see the answer. Okay, the answer is option B, that is bacterium. Clear? Going to the next one, the next question, that is question number 10. The cutting of DNA at specific locations become possible with the discovery of, options are A, cloning, B, vectors, C, restrictions endonuclease, and option D, restrictions enzyme. Now see the answer. The answer is option C, that is restrictions endonuclease. Okay, now see the Next question number 11. First transgenic mouse grew twice the normal size after drinking. What? Options are A, copper containing water. Option B is iron containing water. Option C is zinc containing water, and D is radium containing water. Now see the answer. The answer is option B, that is iron containing water. Okay, going to the next question. Question number 12. Transgenic plants are. Option A is produced by a somatic embryo in artificial medium. Option B is generated by introducing foreign DNA into a cell and regenerating a plant from that cell. And option C is produced after protoplast fusion in artificial medium. And option D is grown in artificial medium after hybridization in the field. তাহলে এখানে মেন ফর্মটা হচ্ছে ট্রান্সজেনিক প্ল্যান্টস আর। Okay, now see the answer. Transgenic plants are generated by introducing foreign DNA into a cell and regenerating a plant from that cell. Okay, that is called transgenic. That is called transgenic plants. Okay, now the next question number 13. A transgenic food crop which may help in solving the problem of night blindness in developing countries is. Options are FL Aviar, Flavor Savar tomatoes. Option B, Starling maize. Option C, BT soybean, and option D, golden rice. Now see the answer. The answer is option D, that is golden rice. Now I am going to the next question, that is question number 14. The method of reproduction of new plants by cells instead of seed is known as. Options are tissue culture. Option B, mutation. Option C, antibiosis, and option D, recombination. Okay, going to the answer section. The answer is option A, that is called tissue culture. Now the next question number 15. What is the purpose of the restriction enzymes used in the genetic engineering? Options are A, restricts the protein synthesis in cells. Option B, cut DNA at specific base sequence. Option C, degrade harmful protein, and option D, join different DNA fragments. Now see the answer. The answer is cut DNA at specific base sequence. Okay, now I am going to the next one, the next question, that is question number 16. By using which one of the following techniques is DNA fingerprinting done? Okay, DNA fingerprinting. Options are A, ELISA, B, RIA, C, northern blotting, D, southern blotting. I think it should be D. Now check the answer. The answer is option D, that is southern blotting. Okay, going to the next one. If anyone have any problem with the term, please consult Google. Okay, if you have any problem with the term, that is what is ELISA, ELISA, what is RIA, what is northern blotting or southern blotting, please see Google. Okay, then you will find it. Okay, because if I explain all these terms, the videos will be so longer. Okay, now I am going to the next one. The question is question number 17. Plasminogen activator or enzyme TPA is used for. Plasminogen activator or enzyme TPA is used for. Options are A, stimulating thromboplastin production. Option B, clearing turbidity of juices. Option C, maintaining plasma content. Option D, dissolving blood clots. Okay, now see the answer. The answer is dissolving blood clots. Okay, going to next one. Next question number 18. Researchers are manufacturing genetically modified fungi to produce what? Options are cheaper biofuel. Option B, generic drug for treatment of cancer. Option C, food supplement, and option D, edible oil. Now check the answer. The answer is A, that is cheaper biofuel. Okay, going to next one. Next question number 19. What is virotherapy? What is virotherapy? Options are A, it is a therapy to treat viral infection human beings. Viral infection in human beings. There is a typing error. Okay, sorry for this. Option B is it is a treatment using biotechnology to convert viruses into therapeutic agents by reprogramming viruses to treat diseases. Option C is there are two main branches of virotherapy: anti-cancer oncolytic viruses and viral immunotherapy, and option D is it is actually used to change harmful viruses into useful one. Now see the answer. What is virotherapy? Okay, virotherapy actually is option B, that is it is a treatment using biotechnology to convert viruses into therapeutic agents by reprogramming viruses to treat diseases. That is called virotherapy. Going to next one, next question, question number 20. Which country has launched the first medical experiment module called KIBO, KIBO, to be used on the International Space Stations? Okay, options are South Korea, B Japan, C China, D Taiwan. I think it should be Japan. Now check the answer. The answer is option B, that is Japan. Going to the next one, next question, that is question number 21. Which one is known as cruelty-free meat? Okay, which one is known as cruelty-free meat? Options are A NZ meat, B in vitro meat, option C is meat from natural dead animal, option D is plant products with animal nutrients. I think it should be B in vitro meat. Okay, now check the answer. The answer is option B, that is in vitro meat. Now I am going to the next one, the next question, that is question number 22. Which of the following can be the best source for the bioplastics? Options are A vegetables, fats and oils, option B cornstarch, 3 microbiota, option 4 azolla, and D pea starch. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. এবার এখানে আসেন কোনটা ঠিক 1 2 4 5 1 2 3 5 2 3 4 5 all the above. Okay, now check the answer should be 1 2 3 5. Now check the answer is option B. Okay, 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 and 5 1 2 3 and 5, that is vegetable, cornstarch, microbiota, and pea starch. Okay, now going to the next one, the next question, that is question number 23. What is pig 26? What is pig 26? An insulin obtained from the Indian pig using the genetic engineering method. Option B is an energy capsule being used by astronauts as food supplements. Option C is first animal to be created by gene editing. Option D is a new patent law enforced in USA. What is pig 26? Okay, check the answer. The answer is first animal to be created by gene editing, that is called pig 26. Now the next one, next question, question number 24. Srinidhi is a new developed variety of chicken, pig, rice, maize. I think it should be chicken. Srinidhi. Okay, check the answer. The answer is A, chicken. Now the next one and the last one, question number 25. The process involved in bionic chip is. The process involved in bionic chip is. Options are A cleaving at microcellular level, B silicon microfabrication, option C perfect combination of cellular and cellular mechanisms, option D is artificial intelligence. Now check the answer. The answer is option B, that is silicon microfabrication. Okay, so this was my today's topic, all about science and technology from Science and Technology. I think it will help you a little bit. If you think I am helping you, so then please subscribe my channel. I will request you, and thank you for watching this with me for a long time. Thank you so much once again. Please visit this channel once again if possible. Okay, I will make very interesting videos. I will try to do so every day. Okay, so thank you once again. Thank you so much.